Hi everyone, how you doing? Good on you, Woz and Alana, for predicting this. We've got a week of heavy rain coming. We're going to receive, I think, a month's worth of rain in a week. So everyone, be careful. I've uploaded on social media some lightning in video, lightning in slow-mo video. And as you can see, we're about to get our butt kicked by the storm. So yeah, you can hear the rain coming down. My veggies are loving it, but yeah, serious lightning coming through. I mean, I'm happy personally. I hope everyone else is safe. Whoa, see that one? That hill, that was close to the netballers across the road. And you heard that. You heard that. This is full on. I hope the netballers have stopped. They're over there. I hope they've stopped for their own safety. But yeah, we're going to really cop it tonight. And I just hope everyone's safe. That's all. I'm in the southern suburbs of Adelaide. But everyone be careful, alright? You're all going to get the rain you want, maybe more than you want. So yeah, you heard the thunder. So whoa, there's the lightning. Okay, everyone, please stay safe out there, and I wish you all the best. Okay, because we're in for a very wet winter, as you can tell, and it hasn't even hit winter yet. There you go, there's the thunder. Okay everyone, be careful. Alright, take care, bye for now.